I am in a very happy mood today. Very, very happy. I just came online and I saw video of our brother Bovi, that's Ubema, talking about the Asaba genocide of 1967, October 7. Now, it was our culture to keep quiet. A lot of people keep quiet as if it never happened. I'm surprised that when I shared the post on October 7, a lot of people in the comment section were saying, are you sure this happened? Somebody even said it's a fabrication, that it never really happened, that I was lying. A lot of people told him to go and fact check. The Asaba Massacre truly happened, and it was not just in Asaba. I shared the story of a man who narrated how it happened in Ogwashuku. So it was Asaba and the surrounding communities. Some communities suffered worse fate than Asaba. Now, this is not to water down what happened in Asaba, but in a place like Ishagu, even the king was a casualty. He was killed in the presence of his subjects. All these were supervised by Colonel Monitala Mohammed. Some of you will say, where is he today? Did he not also die? What has the Nigerian military, what has the Nigerian government done since that time to forestall this as a way of punishing these soldiers so that they cannot repeat such irresponsible behavior later in life? What do they do to punish these soldiers and set an example so that nobody will